Alright, so I always say alright, so I don't ever say hi or nothing. I just be like alright, so. But anyway, alright, so I'm about to wash my face and all of that. I brushed my teeth, took a shower. I'm dressed. I'm about to just go run some errands, so I'm getting ready. So this will get ready. Like, get ready with me. Yeah, this will get ready with me. I'm pretty much done for the most part. Because today it's just one of those wash your face days and be done with it, to be honest. I warmed up my water. I'm about to just put some more water in my hair and just like refresh what's in there and try to just re-moisturize my hair so it can last me another day, another one. So I'm just gonna spray my hair and talk while I'm doing this. This guy, he do like basically like relationship advice, and not just specific to people relationships, like their specific scenarios, but people, like I guess mostly women, because the questions he was answering sound like women questions. And basically like the woman was just like, ghost. So specifically he was like, yeah, when a guy go ghost or whatever, like what woman said, why, what's the reason for that? Like what could be the reason? And he was like, it's two things. Either when he met you and he started dealing with you, things went better than he expected and he wasn't completely honest about his status, his relationship status, or basically he met somebody else. And like that was it in a nutshell. Like as long as, and basically when they go ghost, like it's a guy's way of like leaving the door open and like not burning the bridge completely. And I was thinking about that because like not for nothing, like I think I got ghosted, like to be honest, like, and because the way he describing the situation, like you as a female, like I'm the type of person, I'm very like in control of what I do. So like when this guy ghosted me or whatever, no, we started dating, and for the most part, like then when he got ghosted, I was like, I wasn't sure if he did or if he didn't, because in my head at first I'm like, I just didn't text him that week or something dumb like that. And then like he didn't text me either. But then it was like, okay, after like a week or two, it was like, I didn't realize that we wasn't talking until like I realized we wasn't talking. I was like, we didn't have a fight or nothing like that. It just was, you know how you just get tired of somebody and like, but y'all both not saying it, but like y'all can tell that like she get on my nerves, he get on my nerves. It was like that kind of situation, and I'm just like, so I just didn't text him, or you know, it wasn't like he texted me and I didn't reply, or I texted him and he didn't reply. It was just like we both just stopped talking to each other. So I'm like, is that even ghosting? Like I don't even know if that's the same thing. Like, so I just asked him like, bro, like what happened? Like what was up? I just was getting to a point where it felt like we was becoming boyfriend and girlfriend, even though that's not what we wanted. And it got to a point where it just would be, I thought it would be inevitable. And I'm like, what? So this is why I think I got ghosted, because like I said, initially I didn't think like somebody ghosted me. Like I said, like we both could tell we was getting tired of each other, and like we just got to a point where neither one of us just texted or called. Like I didn't call him, he didn't call me. So I was like, so like in my head I'm like, well, I didn't look at it as like something that happened to me, like if that makes sense. Then when he gave me that explanation, I'm like, what? Like, what was I doing that made you think that I was trying to be your girlfriend? Now I'm sitting here now I'm going back to all the situations, all the conversations, and I'm like, was I acting like I was, like, how do you even act like you want to be somebody's girlfriend, or that you trying to become someone? Like, how does that even happen? Because, mind you, I had expressed to this person, and I said I didn't want to be in a relationship, but I need to work on myself and understand myself. Like, and then it just fucked me up because, like, I was trying to keep it casual, like real regular, and then this person is the one extending himself. So I'm like, what? Like, so I'm like, damn, did I get ghosted? Like, what the fuck? Like, I'm not even sure anymore. Like, even just thinking, I'm like, damn, like, so that, like, I literally was just minding my business, working on my life, and trying to get my shit together, like, and then here you come, and then not only here you come, you're not even just trying to chill and be cool, you trying to overdo, and I'm just like, if you felt like that was becoming the situation, you created that situation, because at the end of the day, I'm getting accustomed to whatever you're doing. If I'm sitting here trying to be like this and just chill, and you trying to be like this, what do you expect? Like, so me in this situation, I'm just like, do you think you ghosted me? And it's insulting, because it's not even the ghosting part that's insulting to me, because I could give a fuck. It's just like, do you think you ghosted me? Like, I'm so confused, like, cause it's like, so do you think that you was trying to play me? And then it's like, with that logic that the guy in the video was, using, basically saying like, he either somebody else got his attention and blah 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 and this and that. It's like, so why were you overextending yourself? Like, cause it's not as if like we started something and then it became that. I'm deliberately over here like, chill. I just want XYZ, and we just cool. And you're like, oh, we can get X, Y, and Z, but we also could do this. I also want to do that. Oh, let's do this, let's do that. So I'm just like, friend, like he explained to me like, oh, well, basically, like how you just be around somebody for so long, and now next thing you know, like y'all just boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm like, no, I don't know that. Like, I don't understand what you're talking about. I was trying to be cool in this situation because, like you try to be like, act like you're not insulted, like your feelings ain't hurt and all that. But I honestly was just so confused. Like, I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? Like, I don't want to be your girl. Like, first of all, so I'm like, if you felt that way, you could have just said that shit. Like, you could have just said what you felt. Like, it's not that deep. Like, you're not going to hurt my feelings. Like, I don't care. Like, calm down, my nigga. Like, I'm not trying to be your girl. Like, I don't want to be nobody's girlfriend for a really long time. I was somebody's girlfriend for 10 years. I was getting off track. I might be doing my hair because I'm irritated. Like, it got me started. But, like, I just was so irritated. Like, bro, I don't. Alright, my nigga. Like, when he said that, I was just like, I tried to play it cool because that's just what you do in weird, awkward ass situations. Like, and I didn't want to like seem salty because if you try to tell the truth and it sounds like you trying to play the person, you gonna sound like you salty. Like, just because we go on some dates, that don't mean I'm trying to be a girl. Like, I'm confused. Like, I'm like, this nigga probably ain't. I'm like, he hasn't dated ever. Like, he couldn't have. Like, he couldn't have dated ever because it was just the weirdest situation. Like, I was just so confused. Like, I'm gonna put the video of the guy who be talking in his car. I'm gonna put it below. I think it's a super old video, but I just found him like a few months ago, and like, so I don't know. I think he ghosted me, but bro, how? I don't know. I think he ghosted me. So that was like what I thought about when I seen that video, because I was just super confused. Like, I just feel like the audacity of guys, like, you think that I was sitting around waiting on you? Like, damn, like you took all of that shit the wrong way. Like, as much as I was trying to not have it be that way, you thought that anyway? Like, how did you get that conclusion? Like, when I'm deliberately over here saying no. I don't know. This was supposed to be a 15-minute get ready with me. How the fuck? How? Then me talking, I was just fucking doing my hair. Niggas just make me mad. Like, I just be like, the audacity of you. Like, you ever get somebody just walk up to you and be like, or somebody just randomly say to you, they tell you how they like your hair? Like that happened to me so many times. Like every time I put a wig on or whatever, and I had my hair in like a straight bob or whatever, and he was like, "Oh, your hair looks nice today." So I was like, "Thanks." He was like, "I like you better with the straight hair." And I'm just like, "Bitch, who in the fuck asked you? Like, am I your wife, your girlfriend, your sister?" Like, that is like not a compliment. Like, what be wrong with these niggas? I just feel like, why do you believe that? Like, when I work at my old job, like, I would, like, one day, like, randomly, I would just be extra and put on makeup, and they'd be like, "I don't get why girls wear makeup. Like, guys is not gonna notice you wore." I'm like, clearly you did. And secondly, I didn't ask you your opinion. And I'm like, ain't nobody checking for you. Like, ain't nobody wake up and say, "Damn, like, all the coworkers is gonna be on my top." Like, I don't want you. And you was the last, not even the last thing I thought about before and after I did this to my face. Like, I'm confused. Like me saying, "Oh, when you get a haircut, who you trying to put?" Nobody. Like, that's called self-grooming. It's called getting yourself together. Sometimes you feel extra. Sometimes you be like, "No, I'm gonna just get my regular low cut. I'm gonna get my shape up, blah blah blah." And then sometimes you might freak it out and get a part. You might try a different style, or a guy might put on some new clothes or buy some new shoes. Oh yeah, you're just trying to be decent for yourself. Like, that's how I see it, because I like looking at myself. Like, I'm not conceited or nothing, but I like what I see. And sometimes I like wearing makeup. Makeup is nothing but a hairstyle to me. Makeup is nothing but an option. Sometimes I want to wear makeup, and sometimes I don't. Like today, I'm putting on makeup, and I'm not doing it for no nigga. Like, who I'm checking for? Nobody. I'm going to the dollar store.